In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Finance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your portfolio or watch list and make clean, accurate updates without any confusion. First, open your web browser and head to Google Finance. On the homepage, look for the Portfolio and Watch List section. This is where Google groups your lists of stocks and any portfolios you've created. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a sign in button near the top right. Click Sign In to continue. Using Google Finance while signed in ensures your changes are saved to your account and sync across your devices. Next, choose the Google account you want to use. If you see multiple accounts, select the one linked to the portfolio you want to edit. If Google asks you to confirm your identity or continue with a highlighted prompt, simply follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. This can include a quick verification step, and it's normal. Once you're back in Google Finance and signed in, open the specific portfolio or watch list you want to edit. You might see something labeled as a sample. Feel free to open that if you're practicing, or select your own list if you're ready to make real changes. With your portfolio or watch list open, look for the three-dot menu. It's usually near the title of the portfolio or in the section header. Click that menu to reveal the editing options. From here, you can typically rename the list, add new tickers, remove ones you no longer track, or adjust details like the number of shares, purchase price, or notes, depending on how the list is set up. If you're adding a stock, use the search field to find its ticker, double check that you've selected the correct listing or market, and confirm the addition. If you're editing holdings, make sure quantities and prices reflect your actual positions so your performance views are accurate. Remember to save or confirm any changes before leaving the page. If the interface updates automatically, give it a moment to refresh and verify that the new entries or edits appear as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the three-dot menu and adjust again. A quick tip, keep your lists organized with clear names like long-term core or watch for earnings, so it's easy to find and maintain them later. Also, periodic reviews help you catch outdated entries or duplicate tickers. That's it. You've signed in, opened your portfolio or watch list, and used the three-dot menu to edit it confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking on Google Finance.